Hello there. So yeah, I just bought a new mechanical keyboard from Amazon, since it's the only way that I can buy a cheaper mechanical keyboard, but because Rakuten is a lot more expensive. So yeah, this is the LEOBOG K23, and the W stands for white. So this is a red, I don't know what kind of switch is this, but this is a red mechanical switch. Definitely not MX red. So yeah, this is the style of keyboard. It's a TKO kind of keyboard, so 10 keyless, let me say. So this is the first time that I ever had a red mechanical keyboard switch. But then I had the let's call this again, K26, I think. Yeah, Gigaware K26, and well, this basically is the best, I think, probably the quietest mechanical keyboard according to the internet. So yeah, I'm using a laptop currently, so why did I bother buying keyboard? Because first, I don't want to overuse this. I'm a hard typer. My hands are heavy when I type, so I didn't really want to mess up my laptop's keyboard, so I bought one. Yeah, I have no regrets of buying this, since this will cost around probably around 1,000 pesos. This is 2,000 yen in here, but I actually paid for 2,884. Yeah, 2,884 yen, because for the delivery and for the let's call it this again, the cash on delivery fee, because basically there's an option that you can pay through the convenience store, so to speak. It's going to be a lot cheaper, like 400 yen cheaper. So yeah, because convenience store here is very quite far. It's quite far here. So yeah, so this is how it sounds like when I type it. So yeah. It doesn't have any LED or RGB on it. It's just a plain mechanical keyboard. I like it. It's simple. Perhaps it's heavy as well. I don't know if it's going to be available in Lazada, since there's no Lazada here in Japan. This is the only option that I can get. But take note, this is only 1,000 pesos if I convert it to Philippine pesos from yen. So yeah, if you want to buy this product, just search for Amazon. I think in the Philippines they have the option to do a cash on delivery. Yeah. So this is LEOBOG K23. Oh, hello, Saudi King. So yeah, bye.